What up guys, Jason here at BJ's Performance. I want to give you guys the recommendation measurements for our front sponsons and wax rear sponsons. So what we have here is a mixture of a bunch of designs of front sponsons over the past probably 15 years of sponsons that we liked, we disliked, and this is what we came up with. Super sleek, wide in the middle, back to super sleek. I was a fan of the Blowsian front sponsons, of their tubby destroyers, with a mixture of their 3-bolt pattern. So we knew with this long of a sponson that we needed a couple more holes. When we used to race SXRs, we used to get a lot of delamination issues with the 3-bolt system. So we went ahead and added a couple more closer to the front, a little bit more spread out in the middle, and then a little bit farther to the back. So let's talk about measurements. So first thing we do is we start off at 35.5 inches from the back of the boat. So I try to go level to the sponson, to the back, just get an eyeball starting standpoint. Come across. Once you grab 35.5, I like to put a piece of tape down so you're not putting permanent marker on the boat. Once you grab that measurement, literally just drop the tape measure to the ground and find 4.5, which I've done there. I make a little bullseye with the corner of the sponson in the lower right-hand corner. Lower left-hand corner of my bullseye. I drop it right there. I don't really need to worry about the sponson drooping up and down. Once I set my first screw in, then from there I can walk to the front of the boat. And I do about a 1/16 down. If you want more straight end or straight stability, you can raise it up. If you tend to do a lot more turning, lower the nose of the front sponson. That'll definitely give you a little bit more racing edge from buoy to buoy. From that standpoint, let's go to the rear sponsons. We recommend removing the rear sets of sponsons because what it's doing is the angle that it's on, it's pushing the bow of the boat down. We don't really want that because going into a turn, we don't want extra nose pressure. Nose pressure is going to either A, slow us down, or B, depending on if there's a wave up front, it could actually push the nose down into the wave. And we definitely don't want that. Back to our measurement, we're going to go 4 inches from the rear of the boat to the first part of the edge. The drill bit that we use is a 7/64. And with the 3 slots that we have, I recommend drilling the front part of the slots on all 3. So if you want more aggressive, you slide the sponson more forward. That's totally up to you where you start, but 4 inches is a great starting point. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Keep on watching our YouTube channel, and we'll get back to the water.